Space, which appears completely black and silent, is actually filled with so much happening that we can neither hear nor understand it. NASA's probes have recorded some strange sounds in space that leave every human mind stunned after listening to them. Once again, in upcoming videos, we will explore the mysteries of space. About 44 years ago, on September 5, 1977, NASA launched a space probe into interstellar space. This space probe is known as Voyager 1, which has been in continuous contact with NASA's base station for the past 44 years. Voyager 1 was sent on a mission with no hope of return. This space probe is traveling in deep space at a speed of 61,000 kilometers per hour and is currently floating far away in the darkness of space, sending us information about our solar system and the universe. This part of space is known as interstellar space. In 2012, as soon as Voyager 1 entered interstellar space, NASA scientists received a signal that sent chills down their spines. When the signal was decoded, it revealed an eerie sound recorded by Voyager 1 in the depths of space, billions of kilometers away from Earth. What was that sound that raised so many questions? This sound was recorded about 14 billion kilometers away from Earth and seemed never-ending. Scientists waited for days, but instead of fading, the sound remained constant. 1 year passed, then 2, and even after 3 years, its intensity only slightly decreased. This was the longest recorded sound in Voyager 1's 44-year history, which kept scientists awake at night. But apart from this sound, scientists were also troubled by another mystery. The point where Voyager 1 first recorded this sound was 16 billion kilometers behind after 3 years, yet the sound remained unchanged. 16 billion kilometers is equivalent to circling the moon 4,000 times from Earth. The fact that a sound could travel such an enormous distance left leading researchers and scientists baffled. At one point, it was confirmed that some unknown force beyond our solar system was responsible for this sound. But space is supposed to be silent, so how was this recorded? In the vacuum of space, no sound waves can travel, yet Voyager 1 captured something unusual. Sound requires air and atmosphere to travel, both of which are absent in space. This is why no sound can propagate there. Even if an explosion occurs right next to an astronaut in space, they would see it but not hear it. However, while sound waves cannot travel in space, electromagnetic waves can. Although our ears cannot hear them, Voyager 1 recorded these waves and converted them into signals that were transmitted to Earth for decoding. This was the mysterious sound sent by Voyager 1 from interstellar space. Some scientists believe that this sound could be generating the energy by plasma waves traveling through. But what are these forces? Why do they release sound like energy? As of now, we humans do not have the capability to fully understand this phenomenon. Voyager 1 captures these waves with its antenna, converts them into radio signals, and transmits them to Earth. Despite traveling at the speed of light, these signals take 21 hours to reach NASA's antennas on Earth. This was not the first time Voyager 1 had sent an unusual sound. In 2007, NASA recorded another mysterious event when space probes detected strange signals that were anything but normal. These signals produced sounds that lasted only a fraction of a second, making it seem as if an alien spaceship was attacking Voyager 1 with a laser beam. These recorded signals, known as fast radio bursts, led scientists to a conclusion. They confirmed that the deeper we explore space, the more questions we uncover. Researchers believe these radio bursts could be the result of black holes or supernova explosions millions of light years away. Some even speculate that advanced alien civilizations on other planets use these fast radio bursts to charge their spaceships, and perhaps one of these bursts accidentally collided with our space probe. However, the true origin of these mysterious sounds remains unknown. These were the sounds recorded from interstellar space, but one does not need to travel that far to hear strange sounds. Even within our own solar system, NASA has recorded eerie and unsettling noises. Voyager 2, which was launched by NASA to study the planets in our solar system, has also captured several sounds that have puzzled scientists worldwide. This is Jupiter's moon, Ganymede, and this is the sound it produces, one that will surely send shivers down your spine. Scientists believe that these sounds are electromagnetic waves that create auroras, similar to how auroras are visible in some parts of Earth's sky. The same phenomenon occurs on Jupiter and its moon Ganymede, and it is possible that the sound you just heard was produced by these auroras. All the strange sounds you have heard so far were officially published by NASA without any editing. Saturn, another planet in our solar system, has also been a source of mysterious recorded sounds. Some scientists believe that these sounds are the result of spacecraft converting Saturn's radio waves into audio, possibly caused by solar activity around Saturn. Voyager 1, which has been sending us photos and information from outer space for the past 44 years, is sadly nearing the end of its mission. NASA has stated that Voyager 1 has only enough power left to stay in contact with us for another year or two. After that, all we will have left are the images and data it has sent us. Hopefully, this Discover TV video will receive lots of likes and shares from you all. Thank you for your kind comments. See you in the next amazing video.